Right guys, welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, we're in the Lexus Drift project. All the videos are on this channel, so go back and check them out. We're on our way to Japfest at Silverstone. We're about 2.5 hours away. It's the first long test for it. Let's see how it goes.
In audio.
What's up everyone? So we made it down all the way to Buckingham, where we've got this little hotel. It's quite nice, and secure parking as well, which is always good. So yeah, it's Villiers Hotel. It's quite nice. Gonna go out and have some dinner now. Bit of a change from camping in a field as usual. But yeah, the car went really well. Steady 60-70 mile an hour all the way down. Bit of traffic, but other than that, it was really good. Can't knock it. See what tomorrow brings.
In audio.
Right guys, so that's Japfest 2024 done. Shocking traffic getting in this morning, but once we were in, fairly alright. Watched everything, saw everything, decent show, drifting were good, good track action, good quality cars, had a good laugh. Recommend you check it out next year, hopefully they'll start the traffic. Subscribe and like guys, see when we use drift car again.
In audio.
Right guys, so that was Japfest 2024. Did a little bit in the car, but this has made it home. So subscribe, like, leave us a comment what you think. If you saw it at the show and you got some content or anything like that, please send it to us. We'd love to see it. We'd love to hear your opinions on it. We're over at Moon with it, how it worked. So yeah, give us a like, hit the little bell for the future videos. We might have a gearbox swap coming in it soon, looking at the options for a stronger gearbox, dyno time, more of it, things like that. We've also got an E36 we're building, and see what other events we get to. Enjoy guys.